Guys, we have today JBMS MSc Finance का notification coming. It's supposed to come today, so maybe it will be coming by today or tomorrow. So JBMS have these two programs, MSc Finance and MHRD. Yeah. Now CET का process कब चालू होगा? We don't know. CET का DT कब होगा ये साल के लिए? So we have no idea about that. But this is one good program where anyone can apply. Fine. So the moment the notification will come to know about the new process, what is going to happen, whether they're going to accept CET score. Whatever they're going to accept and do, I'm going to upload the video as soon as it is done. So now those who have given CET exam last year, they can also apply. And those who are going to give CAT CET exam this year, they can also apply. Yeah. So this is for Jamnalal Bajaj, JBIMS. They have two courses. Normally, apart from the IMS program, they have a MHRD for HR and MSc Finance. Yeah. So if you can crack the exam, so it will save your complete 1 year. Yeah, no need to prepare for 1 year. Those who are going for the exam this year, they can also apply for this. And those who are given the exam last year, for them, obviously, this is a very good golden opportunity. Yeah, for example, I have a student joined us today for the MHRD program. That guy is getting Indira College. Indira College in Pune have an average salary of 4 to 5 lakhs. And this guy, if he converts Jamnalal Bajaj MSc Finance ka program, MHR program, his average package is going to be around 15 lakhs. So that's the kind of a jump you can expect. Placement is not common. Good question, Vipul. So placement is not common with the other students. So average is around 15. Yeah, HR and normal MBA program, average salary will be around 15 lakhs. Fine. Criteria round you need to check on cetking.com/MSc Finance. cetking.com/MSc for MSc and cetking.com/MHRD for MHRD. You can check out the details there for applying for that. Now anybody who have 95 percentile have a very good chance to get a call if for MSc Finance, because most probably they're going to take the CET score. Yeah, if they conduct their own exam, then anyone can apply. Yeah, right now the website might be down because they are maybe updating the site with all these things. Yeah, problem area is a number of seats. The number of seats are obviously less. For MSc Finance, I think number of seats are 30 and MHRD number of seats are 15. So that's the only trouble area. But you are going to Bajaj. So especially those who are given the CET exam this year, you have a very good chance, very good opportunity to save 1 year. Yeah. Okay, so that's a kind of a golden opportunity we can apply. 90 percentile वाला राहुल आपको कॉल आने का चांसेस बहुत कम है. It's almost impossible you will get a call for MHRD, MSc Finance. But look at other way around here. Students are paying fees for Chetna PGDM, for MET PGDM, for फालतू colleges. So going for there, JB के नाम पे ट्राई मारना बनता है. So you have to take about that. 95 plus everybody have a very good chance. Yeah, 94 वाला you have to decide. 93 वाला, so you have to do. You can take the chances. This is open for everyone. Master, non-master, everybody can apply. ठीक है. फॉर्म का फीस क्या है, ये क्या है, एक वेबसाइट नोट कर लो, www.google.com. प्लीज गूगल आउट द मोर डिटेल अबाउट दैट. इतना मुझे यार तुम मुझसे क्या उम्मीद करते हो यार. आई कांट रटोफाई एवरीथिंग. आई डोंट नीड टू लर्न एवरीथिंग फॉर देम. सो आई एम गिव द ओवरव्यू. इसकी और डिटेल करो आप उसके बाद जाके कि आपको चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. हैदर, अगर 95 वाले को कॉल नहीं आएगा, तेरा 85 पे कॉल कैसे आएगा यार. या cetking.com पे जाके देखो, यू गेट द डिटेल. आई हैव गिवन द लिंक्स, एक बार चेक कर लो. या तो दिस इज द न्यूज़ वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम JBIMS. ओके.